Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a haul, and I don't usually film hauls, but I came up with this idea yesterday because I was on ASOS scrolling about, you know, like how you do. You guys know I love ASOS. I saw so much Adidas stuff that I actually really liked, so I thought I'm just going to order all of this, and then I thought we could do kind of like a try on haul and first impressions. So I've literally just got the parcel now, and I haven't even opened it, touched it. I don't know what any of the stuff looks like in person. My first impressions are going to be with you, so I really hope you enjoy this video. And let's start. Yes! It's like Christmas! Also got some shoes as well, because you guys know I love trainers. I love to wear them with everything, especially in the summertime. So I really hope these fit and look good. So one pair. I actually think I ordered 3. Oh, I know what these are. I remember these. So let's start. First pair of trainers is the Adidas Originals Swift Run trainers in pink multi. Let's open them. These are really pink, but I think they look pretty good on actually. I'm not usually a big pink person, but recently I've been buying a lot of pink and I don't regret it. So I got these in a size 3.5. I'll write everything down below in the description and links to everything that I show in this. Oh, I think these are too small. Yes, they're on. Why did my leg just tremble? This should not be hard work. Performance insoles by Ortholite. Comfort inside and out. I think you're gonna love these. What do you guys think to these? They're gonna be so good for summer, especially with bare legs. Like, ignore these, look. Super pink. I just think the 3 stripes, the white and the pink contrast looks so good. Also, I'll link these leggings down below in the description because these are the best leggings ever. So comfy. I love the black pair. So this is a grey t-shirt. Ooh, I like it. Do you know what? I think this is going to be so easy to style. So this is the first item, and do you know what? I actually love it. I think this looks so good. I've just worn it with my Levi's shorts. I'll link some similar ones down below. But I love the colour of this. I just think it looks so good, especially when you've got a bit of fake tan on. And I just quite like the look of the sleeves rolled up. It just makes it look a little bit cooler. So yeah, I think I'm actually going to keep this. I really like it. Let me show you in the mirror. Don't you think this just looks so casual? But I really like it. It's just so loose fitting, especially with a pair of shorts like this, or maybe a pair of blue jeans. I just think it's going to be such a wardrobe staple. Next item, I was so excited about this, but I was also so gutted because there was a black version and a red one, and they were both sold out. But if I can find them still, I'll link them down below because hopefully they'll still be in your size, but they weren't in mine, which makes me so sad. So this is like the peachy nude version. I literally have no idea how this is going to look. It's either going to look really good or really bad. It'll probably make me look naked, which is not good. So this is a bodysuit on. Luckily, it's a different colour. You can see that I'm not naked, which I'm really happy about because I thought that would be like my biggest issue with this. I think I'd probably need a smaller size in this because the straps fall down really easily and this bit gives out a little bit as well. But the low back detail is really nice, but I'm just not keen on a low back look. I just find it really cold outside. Oh yeah, I was so excited when I ordered this. It's so cool. This is it. Do you know what? I think this is gonna look amazing. I'm so excited to put this on right now. Really like this. So I really love the colour of this. It's such a nice red colour. So summery, so girly. Let me show you what it looks like in the mirror again. I think this is really good. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this again. It's such a summery colour. Definitely a yes from me. The next thing is this, and this looked so good on the model. I don't know how good it's going to look on me, but it was sold out in a 4 and a 6, so I got it in an 8, but I still think it'll look really good. To be honest, with stuff like this, if they're a bit cropped, I always go up anyway, because I don't like things to be too tight when they're cropped. This is the next item, and I love it. Again, I love the fit of this. I'm so happy I got it in a size bigger actually. Yeah, I just think this looks so cute, so good for summer. I love the cut. It's going to be really nice for the hot weather because I'm not going to get too hot in it. 3 stripes there. I'm really pleased with it. So this is this yellow. Do you know what? This looks very boyish. I don't know how this is going to look on. I'm a bit disappointed. The yellow's kind of a little bit... Is it like a mustard colour? I'm not sure. So this, I don't like. It's really long on the sleeves. Like, really long, and even if I roll them up, I don't know, actually it looks quite good now. What do you guys think? I'm not sure. I quite like the colour of it. The fabric's a little bit weird. It's definitely kind of like a secondary school PE feel to it. It's so PE-fied, but I guess that's because this is like a sportswear brand, obviously. What do you think? Should I keep this or send it back? Next are these. So I can't even justify these. I'm not really into sliders, but I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna try them on, see what they look like. I just don't find sliders attractive. I think they make your toes look really weird and ugly. So I ordered these. I thought they would be a really cool kind of girly colour, and I ordered them in a size 4 because I think with like sandals and stuff, and when the toes are on show, you don't want the toes to like creep out over the top because that's a little bit weird. They're an amazing colour. I love the colour. Let's see what they look like on. I'm pleased I got the size up because I think they just fit about perfectly. I think if I got a size 3, these would have been a little bit too small. Let me know what you think in the comments, but I think I'll probably end up keeping these, you know, even just for holidays around the pool. So this one I was so excited about. It's such a nice colour, and I think it's going to fit really well. I think it's going to be really comfy, really good for uni. I just think this is so nice and so casual, again, for something like college, school, university. The fabric feels really nice. It's super soft and comfy. So one of the ways I would style this jumper would be with a pair of jeans. These are the Topshop Jamie jeans. I'll link them down below in the description if you want to go and buy them. They're so good. I recommend them to everyone. And then I've just worn them with my nude snakeskin Pumas. Again, I'll link these below. But I just think this look would be so good for college or school if you don't have a uniform, or uni. It's just so relaxed and casual. Finally, the last clothing item I've got to show you is this. And I've actually already got the black ones, and these are just like the 3-stripe leggings. These are in this pink salmon colour. Look like I'm a lobster, or I've got really bad sunburn from far away. I think if you had a tan, this would look so much better on you. But on me, I don't think this is the right colour for me. Last item is this pair of trainers. These are the Gear Up trainers, and when you look at it you think, what is going on here? Have you stepped on like a fishing net or something? But I just think these are going to be super fashionable. I've seen a ton of people, like bloggers and stuff on Instagram, wearing them, and I actually quite like the netted look to them. It makes them look a little bit different. People are going to look at them twice and be like, ooh, fishing net, trainer, I like it. But we'll see what these look like on. Do you guys think these are gonna look good? Let me know now before I try them on. Also link some of my other favorite trainers and stuff down below in the description as well. Some amazing ones on there, and quite a lot of the stuff that I like just out of stock in my size too. So I'll link some of my favorites that are out of stock in the description, so you guys can go check them out and get them, and I'll be really jealous. Are you ready? Are you ready? I actually think these are gonna look so cute on again, just like the other pink ones. I don't know if I can justify keeping both though. Which one of the 2 trainers do you think I should keep? Because I don't know if I can keep both, but these look so cute. So that is it, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know what you think to the hauls down below in the comments. I'd love to know if you guys want to see some more of these. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it, because it helps me out so much and I'm so grateful for all of you. So yeah, with all of that said, I hope you liked it, and I will speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.